you know McDonald's nearly lost one of its most valuable trademarks because of one mistake it made when expanding internationally? And if you're a founder thinking about expanding your brand globally, I'm going to tell you exactly how to avoid making this mistake. McDonald's did what every successful company does. As it expanded around the world, it built an international trademark portfolio. But here's where a lot of founders get it wrong. They assume that the strategy that they have in the United States will work the same everywhere else in the world. And that's just not the case. Every country has its own trademark laws, its own filing requirements, and its own rules for maintaining your rights. The US registration, even for the most famous brands in the world, doesn't automatically give you the same protection overseas. And this is exactly what happened when an Irish restaurant chain called Supermax challenged McDonald's Big Mac trademark in Europe. They argued that McDonald's hadn't shown sufficient use of the mark for all of the goods and services that they'd claimed. And this dispute went on for years, and McDonald's ultimately lost some protection of the goods and services and getting some back after appealing. The key if you're expanding internationally is to avoid treating your trademark strategy the same as you would in the United States. You have to treat it like it's an entirely new business strategy. Before entering any new country, it's always important to evaluate whether the mark is currently available, whether you should file before you launch, what are those countries' use requirements, am I protecting the right goods and services, and how and whether you are willing to maintain those rights over time. The companies that expand internationally well don't just have an international sales strategy, they have an international intellectual property strategy. I'm Kristen Roberts, breaking down the business of intellectual property to help founders build more valuable brands. Follow for more and let me know if you have any questions.